after last mowing, noticed that while we were mowing that it's squeaking, and that's just telling you that it needs greasing. But what I'm going to do is, I think it's squeaking up here at the top, so I'm just going to spray up there. But what you can do is follow right there. Follow that down to where it connects to the bottom and spray on that also. It's got a little gear down there that you can spray also. But what I'm going to do now is spray up there underneath that, and then I'm going to go get, on this one, we got grease knuckles on the wheels, on this part of the axle. So I'm going to grease those, oil that, and change out the air filter. Alright, let's see if we can't fix this first, I guess. I'm just going to shoot a little WD-40 there. And I almost got it. And I'm not a big WD-40 fan by any stretch of the imagination. Maybe I need to go up. Let me see if I can spray it up. It's not working. Let me go get some more spray, different spray. I don't like the WD-40. Alright, after I sprayed it down for about 10 minutes, seemed like, well, quite a while. I'll have to clean that off, but I changed over to SuperTech lube. I'm not a big fan of WD-40 or the SuperTech, but it's not bad. And I sprayed up and down, and finally hit the right spot where it's no longer an issue right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and change this air filter out because they're so easy to do. Just twist that right there, and there we go, and it just pops up. There's your filter. Make sure there ain't a bunch of junk around it. It's gonna fall in there, and just pull out. And let's see here, I got a new one here. If I can get it out of the package one-handed without getting junk all over it. Alright, there's our new filter. And it's a lot better than the old one as far as fitting, because that old one didn't fit at all, the one that I bought off of eBay. This one should fit. Just pop it on, make sure it's down in there all the way, it's on, and make sure it's got one of these little mesh covers on the outside. That makes it so much better for your engine. And then just drop it back down. See if you can find the slot that it goes in. There it is. There it is. Find the slot, twist it on. You're good to go. Now I'm going to get some grease and grease them grease knuckles. Alright, grease guns, what I'm thinking about. Then I'm going to get some grease gun. Now I'm going to get a grease gun and try to grease them grease knuckles up. Alright, got our grease gun, and what you want to do is, it should pop on there and lock. That's kind of locked on there, and then just start pumping away. Alright, you see this moving? That means it's coming out up here. Yep, coming out on the bottom. You see that on the bottom there? Where it's coming out? Hope I'm getting you there. When it starts coming out, it's full enough. Pop it off. You're good to go. Do the other side, and we're good to go. Side two. There it is. When it starts coming out somewhere, that's enough. Man, it latches on. Alright, that's it for the moment on the John Deere S100. If it squeaks, put some lube on it. That's what it amounts to, and grease it up every now and then, and change your air filter, change your oil, and every now and then blow the deck off. It's better to blow it off every time, but every now and then is okay. But that's how you take care of your John Deere tractor, or any lawnmower, any riding tractor, riding lawnmower. If it squeaks, lube it. I guess that's it for now. Y'all take care, stay safe.